All right, we've got 0x, pattern 153, and it's got some problems. This pile up here, these 5 balls are a problem, and these balls in the middle are a problem. But the real issue is this 13 and the 4. For solids, it's the 4. For stripes, it's the 13. So I started looking at those balls first. The 13 doesn't have a hole, you have to shoot a combo. But then you can't really connect up to these 2 balls. There's not an easy way to get up here because there's only one pocket for the 14, and so you basically have to start with the 14, and that was the problem for stripes. There's too many issues when you have to start with this 14. Well, maybe you could start with the 15 to the 14. I'll look at that in a minute, because what I came up with was for solids, if I shoot the 4 first, I can roll up to the 7, 3, and then that'll get me to the 2. And the 2 is nicely connected to the 5. Either shoot a 2 in the side or in the corner. And then 5 stop 1 gets me on the 6, and I can get on the 8 ball from the 6 in a bunch of ways. So that's the pattern that I see. Now the 4 doesn't have a whole pocket, but you have ball in hand, so you should be able to make it. It's the hardest shot, but you should always try ball in hand with the hardest shot. So here we go. And I ended up really nicely. So now I just have to stun this over for the 3. And this 3 now I can just draw back for the 2 inside. And now I can just roll up 2 in the side and get straight in on this 5 ball, and I should be off to the races. And I would have preferred to be off the rail just a little more, but what do? So just a stop shot here. And here is, I guess, one of the hard things to remember is I'm right-handed. I don't want to hit this real soft and end up over here where I can't really reach the ball. I mean, I guess I could right here, but I don't want to be shooting over the 10. So I'm going to hit this with a little bit more pace and just come off the rail where I can, reach the ball. So here we go. Pocket this, a little bit of left to help out. And now I can reach this ball. I can go, 1, 2, 3 rails out, or I can just back it up over here, which is I'm going to shoot it this way. I'll shoot it forward another time. But here, I just need to come out over here for this 8 ball, so let's try that. And that looks pretty good. All right. All right, so that's, it's okay. Let's see. Let's shoot it a few more times and see what happens.